Hello, welcome to G67 2.5 AB1 worksheet tutorial. Couple of things up front. When working with fractions, you have to have a common denominator on the bottom. In this target, all the denominators are common, which means we're not going to need to find them a common denominator. They've already provided for us. So the next thing we have to do is we have to realize what the heck we're actually doing. So let me just show you what I mean here. On this first problem, it says negative 9/8 minus 4/8. Now, this really isn't a subtraction problem. We need to stop thinking about adding and subtracting and think about combining. We have two like signs here. These are both negative. And when the signs are the same, we add them. Same signs, add and keep. So 9 plus 4 is 13/8. Of course, it's negative. Now, we have to put that and express that as a mixed number, too. So, little division, never hurt anybody. 13 divided by 8, it goes into 1 time. 8, you got 5 left over. So, it's 1 and 5/8, negative 1 and 5/8. Okay? All right, take a look at number 1B. Once again, this is a subtraction problem. I want you to think about it. What's the plan? What are we really doing here? Hit me with the double shot. This is actually an adding problem. So now we have like terms. We have positive 5/17 and positive 1/17. When we combine those, we have 6/17. And that baby's in simplest term. 17 is a prime number. The only factor 6 and 17 share is 1. Work a little backwards here. Let's take a look at number 2B. What the heck are we really doing here? Well, we have different signs. So really what we need to do is we need to find the difference between those two. So the denominators are common or shared. So what's the difference between 7 and 4? Well, the difference between 7 and 4 is 3/12. And is it positive or negative? Well, this one, positive, has a greater absolute value than 7 does, so it remains positive. Then, of course, we can divide both of these by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So in simplest terms, this one is 1/4. Okay, let's keep going. Try another one here. 20 minus a negative 7/8. Think about it. What's your plan? All right, you should have said something like, it's a double shot. We're actually going to add these two together. So 20 plus 7, this is going to give us 27. Okay. Resist the urge to say 16ths. Yeah, I know, sometimes we want to add 8 and 8, but it's just 27/8. We don't add the denominators. So let's just think about this over on the side here. 27 divided by 8 goes into 3 times. That's 24. And we've got 3 left over. So there's my answer. My answer is 3 3/8. And it is positive. All right, take a look at another one here. 8/13 minus 11/13. What are we really doing? Well, these are different signs. We've got a positive and we've got a negative. This makes you feel all warm and fuzzy. Make it a negative like that. It's still a negative. So let's find the difference. The difference between 11 and 18 is 7/13. Okay, now is it positive or negative? Well, 18 has a greater absolute value, so this is going to be a positive 7/13. One last one here. 3B. All right, let's think about the plan. It says addition. You are correct. It's not an addition problem, though, because we have two different signs. When we have different signs, we find the difference. The difference between 14 and 1 is 13. And it's a positive because 14 has a greater absolute value. 13/4, which is really the same as 13 divided by 4, which is really the same as 3 and 1/4. And don't forget, you can always check your answer by going 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 is my 13/4. All right, good luck with the rest of your worksheet here.